excited about this. I am going to be using temporary tattoos for my coasters, and I'm going to be doing things differently than what I usually do. So usually when I create coasters, the top that I see ends up being the top of my coaster. But in this case, I will be using the tattoos, placing them in the bottom of the coaster, which will end up being the top of my coaster. So this is going to be a little different for me, and I'm going to be using two different sizes just to see which ones I like better. So I'm going to be using the standard size and my Geo coasters. So I really liked these, and I got this set off of Amazon. I will provide the links below of this particular set just for you. So I'm going to play around with this one. I'm going to cut out the smaller ones for the smaller sizes, but the big ones will fit nicely in the larger size. So that's why I am doing the two different sizes. And as always, the hardest thing for me is going to be picking out the colors. I think gold in the background would be really beautiful, but because these are black, I think we could do almost any color and they're going to show up really, really well. So I might actually do different colors. I just haven't decided yet. So we will just see how these turns out. I hope you enjoy the video. It is time. Okay, so this is fairly fully cured. So we're going to demold and see if it worked. So if this worked the way it should, the tattoo should have come off onto the coaster. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness, that worked so beautifully. Look at that. I am so in love. Oh my gosh, you guys, my new favorite technique. Okay, so those are the larger ones. Let's look at the colors. Here is the green. The purple one, I was worried because it was so dark, but you can still see. And the yellow. Oh my. Yes, these are so gorgeous. And the pink. And off camera, I did do a holder for this. So let's take this out and see how it ended up. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So I am so excited to try some more of these tattoos. I think I like using the tattoos better than stickers because you can't see any of the outlines. So gorgeous. I'm in love. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching.